performance is on hardware, right? But what if you're not getting the best out of your hardware? I mean, what if your PC is not optimized? Like in my previous video, which was optimization about Windows 10, you can use it on 7 or 8 too, but mostly it was based upon the 10. So in that video I showed you some tricks and some things, some settings, some tweaks from which you can optimize your PC very well for better performance, which was a very successful video because from that video, from the tutorial, many of my friends play games which they were not able to play on their potato PCs. So in this video, it's a small video, I'm gonna show how you can enable the ultimate performance mode in Windows 10, which is not present now, because like in the older versions like 1703 or something, there was the option of ultimate performance, but in the newer versions there is no option. So I'm using 1803 right now, and there is no option. I'm right now on my high-end PC. Previous video was on my low-end laptop. So I'm gonna show you a simple thing. See, when you go on power, edit power plan, okay, you see this, go back, there you can see just one option, which is balanced, okay, and in laptops you may have the power saver or the high performance option, but if you have the latest Windows update, you don't have these, okay, I guarantee that. This video is about this ultimate performance. What this ultimate performance does, let me go into the settings, advanced power options. It tweaks all the advanced settings inside this tab. Like there's one Intel graphics settings. It sets it to maximum performance. One is like desktop background settings, wireless adaptive settings, power saving mode. It goes for the maximum performance in all these tabs. So you don't have to customize all these things with yourself. In this video I'm going to show you a new and a better trick from which you can do these all little things by just a code. So all you have to do is download this file, or I'll just post this command on the description. So just copy this command, simply cut it, and right click on Windows and go to PowerShell admin one. Okay, there are two, PowerShell, Windows PowerShell and Windows PowerShell admin. And click yes. You can see PowerShell is loading up. It may take time if you are doing it first time. Just simply press Ctrl and V or just paste it. Okay, you can right click on the screen and it will automatically paste it. Just press enter and it will show you power screen blah 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 ultimate performance in the brackets, and guess what, you're done. There's nothing else in the video. You're actually done. So now you have to go to the power plan, like edit power plan, go back power options. Now from the balance you can switch off to ultimate performance. If you don't have anything else except balanced, you can go simply do this tutorial. This is simple tutorial, and press ultimate performance, and that's done. One more bonus trick I want to show is CPU parking, which I have already shown in the previous video, but in this video, if you're new for the performance based Windows performance, you can do this to tweak your processor a little bit. Just go into the software I will be providing and open that. Wait, let me find it for you. Yeah, CPU core parking 2.1.4. Just install this software and launch it. Once it's loading, all you have to do is move the cursor to the maximum. I already done this on my PC and on my laptop, so it's not showing. So I have a 6-core processor, okay? I have Intel i5-9600K. So you can see all my cores are enabled. Sometimes maybe they are disabled. you can see my base core is 3.70 gigahertz, and right now it's on 4.34 gigahertz. I can boost it up to 5.2, but I don't need it. It's like you just have to scroll these. If it's in middle of something like this or this, just simply grab it, go to 100%. There's no issue. This is not any overclocking stuff, nothing like that. Just apply OK. It's not any overclocking stuff. It's simply you are just there is a fuss between CPU and motherboard and all that shit. You're just clearing out that. There's nothing like overclocking, so no need to worry. Just close this application and you can uninstall it. I prefer to uninstall it because I don't need bullshit things on my PC. If you have any update or something like that, when you update your Windows PC or something like that, you uninstall the Windows and like install a pirated one, you can do it later on again and again, so no issue. So this is it. I hope you liked the video. If you so, just hit a subscribe button. See you in the next video.